Got a new product I wanted to check out. I do a lot of camping, use an air mattress in my vehicle, and the little 12-volt Coleman air pump that I have just wasn't getting the job done. Came across this on a couple different message forums and Facebook groups that said, these are great, so I figured I'd get one and try it out. So what I'm going to do is unbox this, and then I have my air mattress in my car that we're going to set up and see how it works. Give a little good, honest review of it. There's the pump. I actually didn't even charge this, so we'll see what happens with it. Inside the box is the instructions or the guide. We don't need that. And the various adapters in a little case. They sold a hard case you could get with this, but it was an extra 15 bucks, so I ended up just going this route. Double press. Couple different light modes, and then it has a little hanging hook. I'm gonna head over to the car and get my air mattress out, and we'll see how it does. So this is the camp setup that I used to use. It's one of the Luno air mattresses. I really like this mattress, but I am 6'1" and I just don't fit in this space. Before I had my refrigerator and I could sleep diagonal, it was a little better. But these are great mattresses. It's just not for me. We're going to end up doing this backwards just because the inflate valve's at the top. But I really just want to see how well it works. Not quite sure which adapter I'm going to use. Yeah, we'll go with that. So it has various adapters on it. Sorry for my head being in the way. They just plug in, and this is a double press to turn on. Let's see how long it takes. Not bad. Less than 30 seconds, I'd say. If I was doing the full length of it, twice as much. But that set up pretty well. I actually have been sleeping in a rooftop tent, and I have the inflatable sleeping pads. While the corded version worked, it was just a hassle getting power into my tent, which is why I ended up picking this up. And these are also good for deflating. You can switch it around. And the sleeping pads that I have, you really have to roll up, and getting all of the air out of them is essential. So we're going to throw this in reverse and see how quickly it sucks the air out of this. Now you can always just roll it up and squish the air out. But when you're working in a tight space, it's always easier to get it done as quick as possible. So this is literally pulling all of the air out of this mattress. And it's empty. That was probably quicker than inflating it, but it's a nice little pump. I didn't even charge it. It came straight out of the box. Excited to actually use it because it's more for convenience. Like I said, I can run a cord up to my tent, but it's really more of a pain than anything. Just give you a quick little peek at the current setup. One of the Set Power 12-volt refrigerators, works fantastic. I have a lithium iron phosphate battery. I believe this is the Dr. Prepare. I went with this route because it actually has the little 12-volt adapter on it. I have an iCamper Skycamp 3.0 tent. On the roof is a Renogy 100-watt solar panel, and then my Open Road 270 canopy. I actually have another video that I'm going to put out on mounting this because I had to custom do the brackets in order for it to fit with my tent. But if you have any other questions about the Flextail pump, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. This is the first time I've used it, so I've limited experience, but so far it exceeds my expectations. Thanks for watching.